Hey, how's it going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So today I went to Walmart and let me show you what I got today from today's hunt. Put it right here. So the first one I got, it was from Majorette Toyota Supra collection, 1995 Toyota Supra. Here we go. All white with a big black wing. And the steering wheel is actually on the right side, right there. And these are 1/64 scale, metal casting, rubber tires, and it's a showcase right there. So here's the front. I don't know if you guys, I hope you guys can see it really good. In this set, it comes with 1995 Chevrolet Bel Air, 65 Shelby GT35 350, 75 Porsche 930 Turbo in green, right there. So I'm still looking for that one. Toyota Hilux SR5 pickup, and Bugatti 16.4 Super Sport. So looking for that Toyota. So I like this one. I'm adding this one to my collection. So there you go. So there's that one. Leave it right there for now. And then I came across, this is brand new for small blocks, and this is for 25 year of Fast and Furious. Here's the Hans Mazda RX-7, and these are 1/43 scale, and they're called block ASSD, small blocks, I guess. That's what I would call them, small blocks. There's that one. Another one is Don's Dodge Charger RT. Pretty sweet. So I assume these are all maybe first set that came out. And there's another one, which is Brian's Toyota Supra, orange, with all the graphics. Let's move this over here, the drink, water. And last, actually not the last one, almost to the last one. It's Brian's Nissan GTR, the R34. It's a pretty sweet ride. So there is that one. Goes over there. And the last one is from Hot Wheels, new for 2026. It's a Toyota Prius Custom from a dream collection of Japanese domestic market vehicles. So I'm gonna open this one because I'll be putting this on my display in my other room. It's actually interesting. The hole on the car on the bottom is all black, straight. Has a WideBody kit. Does have a, on the side it says RSR, Advan, and Yaris. Is it Yaris? Is this Toyota Yaris? Yeah. No, Prius. It's Toyota Prius. Okay. Front. Passenger side. Back. Driver's side. And the roof is all black. So there's that. And let me know what you guys think of today's hunt. And do you guys have all these already? Which ones you have? And are you still looking for them? And until then, subscribe, like, comment, share, and go Hot Wheels. Take care, everybody. Peace out.